Hi guys, Luke from Storage Vault here, just introducing the Storage Vault 2.3. This is a 2.3 cubic metre storage vault made from solid steel. Full gas strut, open up, great to store all your camping gear, gas bottles, kids' toys, surfboards, anything. It's a huge amount of room in here. Each of the storage vaults are fully adjustable. So basically each of these bolts, they range from 300mm up to 600mm in height, so you can adjust it to suit any car. They've also got adjustable feet on the bottom here to make it nice and easy to level. Great addition to any home. If you're stuck for storage in your garage, the Storage Vault 2.3 is for you.